Good morning, you guys. Welcome to another vlog. My name is Devala. If you don't know already, subscribe if you're not already, because what the fuck are you waiting for? I woke up at a hotel, bitch. Nah. I woke up at a hotel. This is super last minute. Me and my boyfriend decided to do a little getaway. He wanted to take me shopping, but then we also decided that we wanted to book a little hotel by the mall. So we're here in a cute little hotel by the Westchester Mall. We just woke up. I got my overnight rods in my hair. I have no makeup on. I'm gonna do some lashes right now, some lash clusters. I keep grabbing this piece of my skin, it's so annoying. Probably gonna be like my 4th time doing this. I just learned how to do these off of TikTok and I'm so freaking obsessed. The TikTok shop got me. It got me. Like first it was the Mama V Sour Gusher candies, now the You Cool Me lashes. But today I'm gonna be doing a little mixture of my velour and the You Cool Me because I ordered another You Cool Me pair that's fluffy like these. So I'm just gonna use these in the meantime. Oh my god, these are so wrecked. I'm gonna try these new lashes that I got from Amazon. The TikTok girlies recommended this is one of the strongest ones. It's Wing Click. You want to let it dry for 15 seconds. Then you grab your cluster and you're just gonna stick it right onto the lash.
Yo, y'all know how bad girls club be when they be ready to fight and then you running up the stairs and it be like the music and the screen be like blue. It's like, oh, I have a blanket over me. No, you made a story time about me? No. I'm like, she like, why I'm hearing that?
Oh my fucking god, bitch. Why is this shit not sticking?
When I watched the video, he did not say anything about me.
Okay, I am finally done with the lashes. So I'm not gonna do anything crazy, just a quick little everyday face. I'm gonna use a little bit of my Sephora collection, my cellar water. They gave us free breakfast at the hotel, but it was really nasty. We're gonna either go to the Melt Shop or go to Whole Foods. This is my little Merit makeup bag. Merit sent me this a while ago and I use this religiously. Like this is my makeup bag when I'm traveling or anything because it's just a perfect slouch. So much fits in here. I've been using this moisturizer lately from Fresh and I really like it. It's the Tea Elixir Skin Resilience Activating Serum. It basically helps with everything. It helps with anti-aging, it helps with texture, fine lines, wrinkles, unevenness. It kind of reminds me a little bit of the Caudalie. It gives a really beautiful glow on the skin. I really like it. Super lightweight, it absorbs into the skin super fast. I got a sample of the Caudalie Vino Perfect Eye Serum. You guys know that I really love the face serum, so I feel like the eye serum would really work when it comes to darkness. I got glue all over the place. I need to put a little bit here on my laugh lines as well because I do experience some darkness and it's always good to put a little bit of eye cream on your laugh lines, on your 11s right here as well. I think I'm gonna just go straight in with my SPF, my baby. This is my favorite SPF ever. It's so good. After I'm done with my second one, I'm gonna try, is this just a regular or a mineral? Broad spectrum? I don't know. I'm gonna try a mineral sunscreen because when I did my facial at Sephora, the artist was telling me that if I'm really dealing with like dark spots and like fine lines and wrinkles, that I should try a mineral foundation because it's gonna, a mineral sunscreen because it's gonna act like a shield. So we're gonna use the Fenty Edge Control. I like this one because People, yo, I posted this on my TikTok and people are coming for me in the comment. Not for me, just for the edge control itself. Just at Rihanna and Fenty itself. Like, people are going so freaking hard. Damn, I put too much. I put way too much. This wasn't the look I was going for. I like this one specifically because it's like a medium hold. I love that because it keeps my baby hairs looking super, super soft. And I could slick my hair down, but it's not gonna leave a residue. It's gonna give you a nice shine. It's gonna slick your hair back, give you soft looking edges. It's not gonna look all stiff. But I feel like on this side, this side I put way too much. And I feel like this is the hold that everyone is looking for. I just feel like you have to put a good amount if you want it to be a strong hold. But I feel like this is more of a natural hold when you have a silk press, you know, flyaways. People are like going in on the comments in my TikTok talking about how, oh, is it gonna work for all hair types? The 4C girlies are freaking pissed off. Like, they wanna know if it works. On some people, they feel like it doesn't work. Some people is mad that we're all going crazy over it because it has Rihanna's name on it. And honestly, when it comes to me, I'm not that type of person. If I like a product, I like a product and that's it. It's not because of the name brand or anything like that. If you truly ask me about a name brand, overall, I would always say that it's okay, or I would say it's good. I wouldn't say that it like completely blows my mind because I'm not gonna like every single product that a brand comes out with, you know. So yes, I do have a lot of things that I like from certain brands, but I didn't get the edge control because it's by Rihanna, because it's by Fenty. No, it's an edge control at Sephora. Like, no, it's a luxury edge control. I want to try it. Like, what the fuck? It's pretty packaging. It smells good. So this is just my Say bronzer in Stinson. That's my shade. It's like the perfect shade for me. It gives me a pretty bronzy look. See, it already looks like I have makeup on by just putting on bronzer. Now I'm gonna use a little bit of my Kofi concealer in Faluda Fizz. I'm gonna take a lighter one in Extra Alici, just to highlight. Yeah, so overall, I like the Fenty edge control because it's just something personally that I've been looking for. There's a lot of people out there that's looking for edge controls with a super strong hold that's gonna slick any type of hair type, but sometimes I don't want all of that. Sometimes I just want something that's gonna slick my hair back, but I don't want it to be super stiff or sticky. I don't want to feel like I have to wash my hair after using it a couple of times, you know. So, and this is my go-to blush, the Milk Jelly Blush in Splash. I freaking love this so much. I get so many compliments when I wear it, especially when I wear it like across my face like this. I've been testing and playing with a lot of brow products lately, just to see which one is my favorite. And I would say so far there's two that I haven't tried yet that's on my list. I have them, but I haven't tried it yet because I want to make a video of testing out brow products. But so far I would say my favorite micro pencils is this new one from Benefit, Refy. I can't wait to try the new Merit brow pencil and the new Glossier one. I'm coming to terms that the only brow pencils that really give me the look that I'm going for are micro pencils like this, because they give me that hair-like stroke, you know? I feel like other pencils that are thicker than a micro pencil is just gonna fill in. It's gonna be a lot harder to achieve those hair-like strokes. This is Anastasia lip liner in Chai. Let me throw on my clothes and then I'm gonna take out my hair and stuff. Okay, my mic was completely off, but jewelry is from En Route, tank top is from Uniqlo, the cute little cardigan shrug thing is from Princess Polly or Old Polly. I think it's Princess Polly. I got it on sale. The skirt is from PacSun, is that midi skirt that everyone was going crazy for on TikTok. And then the boots, I don't know if I got them from Steve Madden or DSW. And then I chose my white Coach bag because my boyfriend said that one looked cuter. And that's it. All right, let's go. Finally, gonna try this probiotic coconut yogurt.
When the rain hits my window, I take it me some endo. Me and Timberland, ooh, we sang a jangle. We so tight that you get our styles tangled. Sway your do-si-do like you loco. We get night like Coco. So, you wanna play with my yo-yo? I smoke my hydro on the Dino. I smoke my hydro on the Dino.
I'm trying number, this is 19 golden. Okay girl, so we're back home. After shopping, we got so bored, we got homesick. We was like, there's nothing left for us to do here, so let's just go. When I tell you this getaway was so last minute, but so needed. We went to this hotel right after work. Like, I didn't have time for anything, so I was past due for some maintenance. That's why you see me washing my hair, doing my treatments, because girl, oh, my hair was stiff, crusty. So yeah, today's a new day. We're gonna get our life and our hair together.
I know that you're wrong. Tell me what you want after the flow. You know you're national. Don't move around in my house, you call a taxi. I'm picky with my women, I'm deciding. Call me to your baby, I'm sliding. I'm picky with my women, I'm deciding. Call me to your baby, I'm sliding. I'm on worst things first, let me get that need. We all know long road to sell this world. Do so in love, you wanna tell me nothing. Let me get this girl. Cause I had no idea. I feel like I've been too close. Let's get naughty. Yeah, I did all yeah. I feel like I've been too close. Yeah, let's party on. Yeah, I did all yeah. Since you've been gone, I've been just okay. I know you meant you did see my way. Since I've been gone, I've been out of state. I let little shawty come here, take your place.
Okay, it's a new day and I'm in a better mood. I'm off today. That's why I'm in a better mood. I had some time for myself. My boyfriend is at work. I just finished filming a review video. I just tried the new Patrick Ta foundation. She's looking gorgeous. This is her right here. Gorgeous. It's giving skin. I set my makeup with powder and everything, lots of powder, and I still have this beautiful radiance. If you have normal to dry skin, you're really gonna love this. If you're a combination girly like me that loves a natural finish that's gonna give you a glow, you're gonna like this. If you're oily and you like your matte foundations, you probably won't like this. But I am doing a wear test right now, and so far so good. It just looks really smooth and beautiful. I think I'm keeping her. So yeah, I just wanted to check in and tell you guys because I was a little grumpy. After being in a hotel, we started to get bored. We started to get homesick because, you know, we can't garden. We can't garden in a hotel. It's not the same. And then when we got home, I don't know if it was the next day, but I got my period. So I was PMSing. I had cramps. I was in a lot of pain. So, but it's a new day. I have a mess behind me that I'm going to clean, and that's it. I'm not starting my... I think this ice cream truck just loves to come at a certain time every day. And no, I did not start my day. It's about to be 7 o'clock. I'm waiting for my boyfriend to get home. He's gonna go to Whole Foods after work. He's gonna pick us up some steaks. So that's what we're gonna eat tonight for dinner. So this is how messy my room gets when I'm filming. Disgusting, right? Disgusting. Oh my God, we're gonna clean her up now, I promise.
Triple homicide, put me in a chair, yeah. Triple across the plug, we do not play fair, yeah. Got them tennis chains on, and they real blingy. Draco make you do the chicken head like chingy. Walking Neiman Marcus, and I spend a life 50. Please proceed with caution, shooters, they be right with me. Bad bitch, cute face, and some nice titties. 7500 on a Saint Laurent jacket, yeah. Bitch, be careful when you jumpin' your action. I ain't no sucker, I ain't cuffin' no action. The streets raised me, I'm a whole bastard. I bought a Rari just so I can go faster. Niggas tryna copy me, they playin' catch up. I might pull up in a ghost, oh, catch up. I been smoking gas.
You guys, don't be like me. Don't be like me. I had to stop cleaning because I started to get dizzy, girl. All I ate was breakfast. Then after I filmed, I got ready to film. Then I filmed, and then all I ate was an orange right after I filmed. So I made myself some Maggi soup with an egg inside, and I made it spicy because I can't wait until my boyfriend comes home and brings the steaks, and then we gotta cook it. So, and then I'm just like editing some TikToks right now. All right, you guys, the vlog has come to an end. I was too tired to film us cooking the steaks, so we're gonna end it right here. Don't worry, I'll see you guys next week. Thank you guys so much for watching. Leave a beautiful, positive comment down below. If you made it to the end, I love you lots. Subscribe if you're not already, and I'll see you guys soon.
Triple homicide, put me in a chair, yeah. Triple across the plug, we do not play fair, yeah. Got them tennis chains on, and they real blingy. Draco make you do the chicken head like